Hello, how are you friends? How are you my dear students? Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.7 question number 5. Are you ready? Yes. Before starting this session, one thing I want to tell you. If you didn't complete your CW book, please complete it. If you have any query, if you have any doubt regarding this mathematics subject, please drop your message in the comment section box. Inshallah, we will try to give proper solutions. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. Now, exercise 2.7, question number 5, find question number 1, 7 divided by 3.5. Look at this side, 7 divided by 3.5. So look at this side, this 3.5 is a decimal number, right? So before converting division symbol, before converting this division symbol, just decimal number you should convert into simple fraction number, right? So here in the second step, 7 divided by 35 upon 10. So here in this point, okay, after this point beta, okay, how many total digit? There are total only one digit. So we will put in the denominator there is single zero. Understood what I am telling you? So 35 upon 10. Understood what I am telling you? So 3.5. So we have written here 35 upon 10. Okay. Now this division symbol in the next step, I have converted this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Okay, to 7 multiply. Okay, if you are going to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol, so obviously this denominator will go in the numerator, and numerator, look at this again, I am repeating beta, this denominator will go in the numerator and this numerator will go in the denominator. This thing you should keep in your mind. And I have written here 7 multiplied by 10 upon 35. Why it should be converted? Why it should go the changing places, denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator? Because of we are going to convert here the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. So 7 multiplied by 10 upon 35. Understood what I am telling you? So look at this side. Look at this side beta. Can I write 35 instead of 7 5 ja 35? Clear? 7 5 ja 35. So beta 7 7 will be cut. Here look at this side. Can I write 5 multiplied by 2 instead of 10? Okay, so 5 2 ja 10. So here this 5 and this 5 will be cut. So remaining answer is beta 2 only. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2. Understood what I am telling you? Here 7 7 will be cut. Here 5 5 will be cut. So remaining answer is 2. So it is your answer. Clear? Okay. Now we will move on to question number 2. Okay. 36 divided by 0.2. Okay. So here you can see, first we are going to convert decimal number 2 into simple fraction. Yes or no? So here look at this side, 36 divided by 2 upon 10. Okay. Now after converting decimal number into simple fraction number, then convert into division symbol to multiplication symbol. Okay, while you are converting division symbol to multiplication symbol, obviously you know that the denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will go in the denominator. Yes or no? So same thing I have shown here. The 36 multiplied by 10 upon 2. Understood what I am telling you? Okay. So look at this side, beta. So can I write? You must know the table of 1 to 20, right? So 18 to the 36. Okay. Can I write instead of 36? Yes, of course. Okay. So look at this side. These 2 and these 2 will be cut. So remaining number, beta, 18 multiplied by 10. So 18 10 ja 180. Clear? Okay. So beta, it is your answer. Just you should copy in your CW book. Understood what I am telling you? Now we will move on the question number 3. 3.25 divided by 0.5. So beta, please observe here both the numbers 3.25 and 0.5. Both the numbers are decimal number. So before calculation, before doing any type of calculation, what we have to do first, we will convert first decimal number into simple fraction number, right? So here after point, how many total digit? 1 and 2. Understood? 1 and 2. So 325 upon 100. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Understood? 325 upon 100, because in the denominator there are 0, because of here before point, after point there are 2 digits. Then and then only this thing you should keep in your mind. So 325 upon 100 divide by here after point how many digit? There is only single digit. Understood? So 325 upon 100 divide by 5 upon 10. Clear what I am telling you? After converting in the next step, here we have converted division symbol into multiplication symbol. So look at this side. 325 upon 100 multiplied by this denominator will go in the numerator, and this numerator will go in the denominator. This denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will go in the denominator. Okay. So you can see the 10 upon 5. Okay. So here this 0 will be cut, beta. Understood what I am telling you? Now look at this side. Okay. So 325. Okay. So 325 you can observe here. Okay, divide by 5. Okay. So 5 6 30. Okay. Understood? Now look at this side. 32 minus 30. The 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Okay. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Carry out by 5. Okay. So the number will become 25. Now look at this side. 5 5 ja 25. Understood? Okay. So beta, look at this side. What is answer? 65. So beta, look at this side. 5 will be cancelled. Here answer should be 65 upon 100. Oh, sorry, 65 upon 10. Okay, so look at this side. We have written here 65. Okay, now we need to put a decimal point. So here again I am writing 65 upon 10, so you can understand very well. 65 upon 10. Okay, now we need to point. Okay, so here in the denominator, how many zeros? There is only single zero. Okay, so we will put point after one digit and we will start from right to left. Okay, clear? So this is a number, so we will put point here. So what is answer, beta? The answer is 6.5. So here I have written answer 6.5. Clear what I am telling you, beta? Understood? Okay, so this is the solution of question number 3. Clear? Now question number 4. 30.94 divided by 0.7. So what I have done here, first we are going to convert decimal number into simple fraction number. So 3094 upon 100. Why I have written 100? Because of after decimal point, there are two digits. Therefore, I have written 100. Okay, therefore I have written 20 here. Understood? So 3094 upon 100 divide by 7 upon 10. Okay, understood? Now the third step, this step, 3094 upon 100 multiply by, you know very well, the denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will go in the denominator. Understood? So 7 will go in the denominator and 10 will go on the numerator. So 10 upon 7. Understood, beta? Now look at this side. In this step, this 0 will be cut. Okay, look at this side, beta. Here, so remaining number 3094 divide by 7. So 7 full jar 28. Clear? 230 minus 28. Again carry out by 9. 7 full jar 28. Understood? 29 minus 28. 1. Okay. 7 2 ja 14. Clear? Understood? 0 0. Understood? So what is answer? 442. So 400. Here this thing, this 7 will be cut. The 442 divide by 442 multiplied by 7 is equal to this 7. So this 7 and this 7 will be cut. So remaining number is beta 442 upon 10. Okay. So what we have written here, because we are going to put decimal number, right? Decimal point. So 442 42. So we will start from here, right to left. So we will put point 0. Understood what I am telling you? Clear? Clear what I am telling you? The answer is 44.2. Okay. So beta, this is your answer. Question number 5. 0.5 divided by 0.25. Okay. So look at this side. 5 upon 10. Divide by 25 upon 100. Understood? Now we are going to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol, right? So obviously you know the division denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will go in the denominator. Understood? So look at this side. 5 upon 10 multiply by 100 upon 25. So look at this side. This 0 will be cut. Here 5 5 ja 25. Okay. 5 ja 25. So 5 will be cancel. So here 5 2 ja 10. So answer is 2 only. Clear what I am telling you? Okay. Now we will move on to question number 6. Okay, 7.75 divided by 0.25. Okay, so 775 upon 100 divided by 25 upon 100. So look at this side. We are going to convert division symbol into multiplication symbol. So on a third step, the denominator will go in the numerator and numerator will go in the denominator. This rule you know very well. Okay, so 775 upon 100 multiplied by 100 upon 25. So look at this side. This 100 will be cut directly beta. Okay, so look at this side. We are going to cut directly here. So 775. Okay. Here this 100 will be cut. Again I am going to write beta. 775 divide by 25. Okay, so 25 2 ja 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 25 3 ja 75. Okay, understood? Clear? So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Carry out by 5. So here look at this side. 25 1 ja 25. Clear what I am telling you beta? So here 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Understood? So what is answer beta? The answer is 31 only. Clear? So here my dear students, I have explained question number 1 to question number 5. In the question number 5 I explained question number 1 to question number 6. Remaining question you have to solve at home. Okay, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, please drop your message in the comment section box. Yeah, you can contact the admin. So admin contact me. So inshallah we will give a proper solution. Okay, till here I have completed fully chapter number 2 Okay, remaining notes. If you didn't complete it in your regular CW book, please complete it. Okay. Now, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.